Hey everyone, on today's video, I'm going to show you a quick trick on how to avoid the minimum order requirement on Temu. Let's get into it. Alright, so we all know that Temu has a minimum order amount for free shipping, but there are a couple of ways that you can get around that if you're not looking to spend too much. First off, look for free shipping promotions. Temu often runs deals where you can get free shipping even if you don't meet the minimum order requirement. So keep an eye on their homepage or email newsletters or other offers. Another tip is combine orders with your friends or family. If you're close to the minimum amount, why not share the order with someone else? Pull your items together and you'll meet the minimum requirement faster without buying more than you need. If you're not ready to combine orders, another way to avoid the minimum is to look for smaller items that you can get closer to the total without breaking the bank. Temu has a ton of budget-friendly items under $5. Lastly, check out Temu's app for potential exclusive promotions, which sometimes have lower minimums for free shipping. And that's how you can avoid the Temu minimum order. Just keep an eye out for promos, combine orders, or shop smart with smaller items. Simple, right? If you found this tip helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more shopping hacks.